Good evening. Last night I said it was very hard to predict the market and it was better not to put any overnight trades in. Well, you can see in the candles we went a little bit up and a little bit down. Not much happened, in fact. We still got a little bit of bearish divergence here in this area on the RSI. The stochastic is rolling over, but the MACD is still up, and also our bullish cross is still on the Kijun and the Tenkan. As far as I can see now, we might get a test back of the Tenkan, but that will move up in 1 hour because this candle is not closed yet and will do so in an hour. So we will probably get a new Tenkan area somewhere just above the 37. So we might get a test back of that 37 before another up move. Then we go to the pound dollar. Pound dollar has no divergence. Stochastic still on the moving up and trying to cross over. MACD is up. This is not a bearish candle yet. It is a spinning top, and we need a third candle, so one up, one down, and another one down before we can say there will be a reversal. So this trend is still up. On the RSI it's up, stochastic is up, and it's up. We remain up unless proven otherwise. Then we go to the dollar yen. Tried to get back to the Kijun and the cloud, spiked back, no divergence. Stochastic trying to roll over to the upside. MACD will be flat in the coming hour. I do like it long unless we break this green body here. Then we go to the dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss also did nothing, remained where it was, and also indicates that I was not so wrong yesterday to say sometimes a flat position is the best position. Then we got a dollar CAD, moved down, moved up, stochastic down, RSI up, MACD still down. We remain in the downtrend unless this candle is taken out to the upside, and then we get a test of the Tenkan, but the trend remains down. Australian dollar, a little bit up, just a little bit down, broke this trend line back again, so this will be our pivotal area. And the Australian is now doing what the SPX is doing, and that is going down. Still wonder how long it will go down, because it's for sure not normal. A Ponzi scheme always has to work one way, and that is up. New Zealand dollar got a reversal, test of the Tenkan, got back down, also on the SPX of course. Trend line, if we draw a trend line, as long as we stay below this line, the trend is down, and when we get above we might get a reversal again. Stochastic trying to roll over, but will turn down again. MACD is down, so down it is. Then Euro Yen, not really moving, moved up with the dollar yen and the euro at first, and now back down again, holding these tops. Still remain bearish divergence. Stochastic is flat, but we will see a little bit down move on the stochastic as well, so expect a test of the Kijun again around that 112.30 area. Pound yen did the same as the pound, below the Tenkan again, test of the Kijun, which would be this breakout candle here. That's why I expect no divergence. Stochastic up, MACD down, still no go, and I think we have to wait for the ADP number. Euro pound, I said it could bounce off the cloud yesterday. It did, went up again, and now it's testing the bottom of the cloud, but still not sure if this is a short or a long. I have no divergence. RSI is in the middle of the top and the bottom. Stochastic is rolling over, and MACD, okay, we are in a downtrend at this moment, but really need a break of the cloud. Euro Swiss, we got this bearish, average bearish crossover, still like it lower, as said so many times now in the last couple of days, but it needs to break the cloud. Below 50, stochastic is up. I would stay away from this pair looking at the indicators, but again the trend is down. Gold, that's where I expected a lower price because of the divergence that was still visible, but now we've taken out the previous high and higher prices could be coming in, although my RSI, yeah, trend is up. Trend is up, stochastic is up, and the MACD is up, so the trend is up and we stay up. Silver, same thing, although we still have some bearish divergence here, that's why I was hesitating with gold. But again here the trend is up, and as long as the trend is up we remain up. MACD up, then we go into crude. There I had some bearish divergence and expected a test of the Kijun and the Tenkan. It didn't. It holded this area here. You can draw a trend line along this, and it spiked up, and it is now at its, and I can show that. It's a little bit difficult, but you can see the 61.8%, it's right there. That's the last barrier for the bulls. If that is taken out and it closes above, then it's bye-bye oil, and it will shoot up, and that will matter a lot for the interest rates and therefore for the stock market. Then we go to the SPI. I said before I was looking at a kind of a head and shoulder in this area. Well, that didn't happen. Then actually it happened in this area a little bit, but spiked up again, and since it's always buying, I thought, well, that will be a buy again, and I'm not going to buy, and then it crashed down. And now it's below the Kijun. The candle will close in about 45 minutes, although this is the SPI and already closed, but the SPX, the futures, still open, and when they close below that Kijun line, then I fear for the stock markets. Then we go to the Euro Australian dollar. Didn't do much. It's holding at the Tenkan and the Kijun. We got a bullish cross, and then again we don't. But when the stock markets keep going down, the Australian dollar should suffer a little bit more than the pound Swiss. Pound Swiss, I said yesterday, we had that bearish crossover, but expected a test of the top of the cloud, which it did, almost to the pip, and now it's back down again. Stochastic is up, MACD is down, so I would be careful and maybe use the bottom of the cloud. No, I wouldn't, because the next candle would open here, and then we have some more downside area before a breakout of the cloud, so don't touch it at this moment. Let's see what else we got. That was about it. I hope you enjoyed my video again, and be careful tomorrow, because the market will definitely be interested in the ADP report, the general rehearsal for the NFP on Friday. And on Thursday, of course, we have the ECB with its rate talk, and the market is looking particularly strong to that thing, and wondering if Trichet is becoming hawkish, yes or no. Have fun and trade well tomorrow.